Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Monzo debit card step by step clearly. First, make sure you have received your physical Monzo debit card in the post. Open your phone and check that you have a stable internet connection. Find the Monzo app on your phone and open it. If you are not logged in, sign in using your usual Monzo login method. From the home screen, look for the card section where your debit card is shown. Tap on your card to open the card settings and details page. If you see an option that says Activate Card or Card Not Activated, tap it. If you do not see an activation button, don't worry because Monzo often activates the card through a chip-and-PIN payment. Make sure your card is linked to your account by confirming the last 4 digits match the card you received. Check that your card is not marked as frozen in the app. If the card is frozen, tap Unfreeze to allow transactions. Now prepare to do a chip-and-PIN transaction at any shop that accepts card payments. Go to a store and choose a small purchase so it's easy to complete. At the checkout, insert your Monzo card into the card machine instead of tapping it. When prompted, enter your card PIN carefully on the keypad. Confirm the payment and wait for the transaction to be approved. Keep the card inserted until the terminal tells you to remove it. After the payment completes, your card should be activated automatically. Open the Monzo app again to confirm the card status is now active. If your PIN is not known, go to the card settings in the app and select View PIN to see it securely. If you entered the wrong PIN too many times, wait and follow the app prompts or contact Monzo support to reset it safely. If activation still does not work, try one more chip-and-PIN purchase at a different terminal. Make sure you are using chip-and-PIN, because contactless may not activate a new card at first. Check in the app for any alerts or messages related to your card or payments. If the app asks for an in-app verification, approve it to complete the process. If you recently replaced your card, confirm you are activating the newest card, not the old one. If you are abroad, ensure international and card payment settings are enabled in the app if needed. As a final step, if nothing works, use the in-app help chat to ask Monzo to confirm activation on their side. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.